If you want to sell a digital product from your WordPress site, you don't need a separate membership plugin. You can do it with the free version of Formidable Forms. In our case, we're selling an ebook. To do so, we have 3 pages: a home page, a payment page, and a download page where buyers land after checkout. To build the payment form, create a new form. Add an email, product, total, and payment field. You can sell multiple products and add quantity fields, but since we only have one product, select single product and type in the price. Give the form a name, then go to Settings, Actions, and Notifications. You'll already have a confirmation and email action. Add a payment action. We'll use Stripe for this video. Link the amount to the total field, and map the email to the email field. Now add a gated content action and set the trigger to successful payment. Add your download page as the content item. If your page isn't showing up, make sure it's set to private or password protected. Hit update, then copy the shortcode. There are a couple of different options, but if you just want to give access to all your gated content, use the first one. Paste that shortcode into your email notification so buyers receive it after checkout. We'll also drop it in the form confirmation to save time in this video. Embed the form on your payment page, and that's it. Now when someone clicks the call to action, fills in their details, and hits submit, they get the link. But the link is protected. Anyone who tries to open it without having gone through the checkout will hit a wall. Only the person who paid gets access to the gated content. If you want to set links to expire after a set number of hours, gate an uploaded file or a generated PDF, and redirect those without access. You can upgrade to a pro license at any time. Get started today or click the link in the description to learn more.